These charts look flat and boring, but in just 2 minutes we will transform into stunning gradient comparison result like a pro. Today, we are transforming a simple line chart into a dynamic visuals using PowerPoint. Start with default line chart. Delete the placeholder data and select this and paste your own copy data. This gives you the best chart for our transformation. Double click the line, go to Format Data Series, scroll down the formatting pane and enable Smooth Line. Set the 3-digit thickness to outline and choose a dark red color. Now let's make it editable. Cut the chart, then paste special, select SVG format. Ungroup the chart twice, ignore the pop-up. Delete this, replace the text views with date. Select the line, go to the animation tab and select the wipe animation. Select left from the effect option. Increase the duration. Duplicate the slide, then insert a rectangle. Make sure it is aligned with the x-axis. Select the rectangle and the curve. Go to More Shape, select Fragment. Deselect this and this. Delete the extra bits. Merge the rest of the shapes into a smooth object. Outline the shape, make it no outline. Now, apply a gradient fill. Make the first top red and 50% transparency and delete both in between. The second stop, select darker red color, transparency 100%. Cut the shape, paste it on the first slide. Select line, go to animation, click on animation painter and apply this rectangle. Here is a quick comparison from flat to brilliant in just a few minutes. And that's how you create a stunning modern comparison chart using just PowerPoint. If you like this trick, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for more PowerPoint magic.